In this video, I will show you how to download Cinemana on Smart TV. I can subscribe to your channel for more important videos like this. So if you have a Smart TV and you want to download Cinemana and you don't have Google Play Store installed, here's what you can do. Now you're going to use this third-party application, which is a very useful application for Smart TV users. What this downloader does is that it helps you sort files, APKs, apps from across the internet, and you can download and install these applications to your Smart TV. So if you don't download on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to guide you to download and install downloader to your smart TV. After doing that, just go ahead and launch it. Here's how it looks like. It's very easy to use. Once you go over to the keyboard here or the box here, go to type in Cinemana app or download Cinemana APK. Once you type in the right keyword, just go ahead and click on go. Once you click on go, download is going to show you the various sources on the internet where you can be able to download the Cinemana application to your smart TV. As you can see on my screen, here are various options. For instance, here's one option. You can use this one to download the Cinemana application. You can use this other one here. This is another one. So you can just scroll down a little bit to see various options that are available. So once you go through them, you can decide which one you are comfortable to use. If these are not enough, you can continue clicking on the next page to see various options of Cinemana. So you just have to go through them and choose which one is good for you, and then click on it and then follow the instructions to download the application to your smart TV. It's very easy and simple. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find the video helpful.